MovingPro has simplified the job process by splitting the job into 3 steps: the estimate, the agreement, and the bill of lading. An estimate can be created by clicking Prepare Estimate. If no estimate is required, you can skip the estimate and go right to the agreement phase of the job. On the estimate page, you can still edit any detail about the job. Just click any field here on the left panel to update without having to leave the estimate page. The right panel is where you'll edit the estimate information. Change the job type by selecting it from the top right button. Choose from hourly, long distance, flat rate, or any of the other job types. This is an hourly job, so we can select the crew from the drop-down menu. Keep in mind that you can edit the crew and the price points by going to Account, then Settings. There you can create and edit your hourly rates as well as the prices for your other products and services. Select how many trucks you'll need for the job. The default is 1. If you need to charge extra for trucks, you can do so here in the Extra Truck Fees field. In the section called Enter Hours, you can enter the definitive hours to be worked on this job, though we recommend leaving this section blank until the job is finished. Next, you can add locations in between the origin and destination, and apply a fee for the service if necessary. Add packing rates and storage in transit here. If you think you're going to need materials or extra services, select them from Materials and Services section. If there are any fees or adjustments, add them here. Remember, you can create truck fees and discounts that will appear here by going to Settings. All of your totals for your customer's estimate are calculated automatically. Lastly, you or your employee will sign the estimate. Once the estimate is signed, you can either save it or send it for approval. To send the estimate to the customer for approval, simply go over the auto-generated email and click Send Estimate for Approval. Keep in mind you can edit any part of the email. In order to use this time-saving feature, you must set up your email in Settings. Once the customer receives the email, they will be prompted by a button to go and approve their estimate. Here's what the customer sees when they click the button. All of the details of their upcoming move are presented to them for approval. They will do so by clicking Approve My Estimate. Next, your customer will be taken to a page where they will consent to the use of electronic forms, a requirement of some regulatory bodies. Here they will confirm that they agree to the use of a digital medium to conduct business. If you have uploaded an electronic pamphlet to distribute to your customers, MovingPro will automatically send it to them once they have signed the document. You can upload your own pamphlet in Settings as a PDF or Microsoft Word file. Once the customer signs and saves, the system is updated. You can also approve the estimate manually. Now you can move on to Phase 2 of the job, the agreement. Thanks to MovingPro's powerful job management tools, an estimate is finished, beginning to end, in seconds.